Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on profile options. You just click on it here. Then you come here to capitalize first letter of sensitivity, clicking this sign. Like you say, this color show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. You just follow these ways. That it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching.